Looking for a product that truly lives up to its promises? You won't believe how this one can change everything. We've all been there, disappointed by products that don't meet expectations. Whether it's poor quality, low durability, or simply not working as promised, it's frustrating and a waste of money. But don't worry, this time it's different. This product is ready to deliver the solution you need. No more concerns about quality or performance. Just give it a try and experience the difference for yourself.